Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here with another embellishment builder Friday freebie. So every Friday for a number of weeks, I think this is week 7 or 8, I can't remember, I think it's 7, I have gifted a digital download over in my Facebook group. The link to that is in the description box below, and all of these you can make embellishments with. Okay, there is a playlist in the description box below so you can catch up on the previous weeks. So here we've got some mini clipboards. So without further ado, and to cut down on waffle, I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to cut mine out, and I'm going to show you what I had in mind for making these embellishments. Back in a moment. Right, so let's put one of these together. I'm filming this on a different day, and you are getting this a day late. You're getting this on Saturday instead of Friday because it's my youngest child's 19th birthday today. So yesterday, when I should have been filming this, I was out buying presents, but better late than never. Right, so I fussy cut everything out, okay, and this is the idea. If you've been with me a long time, you will have seen me do a clipboard style thing before. So the first thing that you want to do is fussy cut 2 layers if you want. You can just decorate that as it is, okay, and have it as just a plain little clipboard embellishment, okay. Decorate it how you like, it looks cute, but to make it interactive, what we're going to do is, okay, I'm just going to glue this one for those that don't have eyelets and crocodiles and all of that. So you're gluing this top section here. So you cut the extra one of these out, you glue that like sticking up bit, and then just here a very thin bead where those 2 sections meet. Okay, very thin bead, okay, because you don't want it splodging out. And then you are going to stick that over the top, and they should marry up perfectly because I made them exactly the same, okay. Give that a moment to dry, okay. Whilst that's drying, just stick a piece of scrap under it. What have I got? I'm just going to stick that under it. I want to make sure that it doesn't glue all of the way, okay, so that you can stick things under. So then we're going to get this little reminder label, and we're going to just glue that tiny bead of glue on each side and the bottom, okay. The thinnest bead you can muster, okay. And then we're going to stick that on kind of central, okay, centralize it, okay. Right, so this should have dried now, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can ink these. I made them look distressed by folding it like that and inking it, okay, and these will all slip under here. I've just grabbed this label from one of the previous kits to help demonstrate, so you can put as much or as little as you want. You could stamp some script on there, okay, and these will work. Wait for your glue to dry, otherwise these will stick in, but it will work like a little mini clipboard, okay. So we can put all of these bits of ephemera that I've given you, little teeny tiny ones, because you know I like mini ephemera, okay. And then here, because we've just glued it on the 3 sides, we've got a little tucking space, so we can get this little label here, this little tag, and we can tuck that in there, and it will help keep all of this from flapping about. Then we can get the little noted, and we can slip that in as well, because when I do tiny things, I like them to be loaded. And then the little butterfly, which is the Amanda Law, we're just going to glue just down the body, okay, and we are just going to glue that right on the edge. So again, the wings are helping keep everything in place but not stopping you taking them out, okay. And then this is protrusion. I'm just going to move it down a right little bit, all right. And then everything is removable, okay. Apologies for the rough edit. I realised I wasn't in shot, and so I've had to refilm the back end of the video again. So this is the finished little item, okay, and each little thing now is individual and will untuck and retuck, okay. these are, I just love these. So these are embellishments, and each week it's an embellishment builder freebie so that you can build an embellishment out of a freebie. And every single one is just interactive little bits of bundles of joy. I just love them, okay? So, I can't remember if I showed you this one. Like I said, I stopped the video. So the variation on this one was I punched a hole in the top and I added an eyelet. You could also, if you don't have a crocodile and eyelets, you could use mini brads, okay, to help decorate it. But this is just glued. You know, you could add a pearl dot there or something. So it works just glued. And even with the eyelet on for embellishment, I did still put a bead of glue there as well, just to make sure that that's firm enough to tuck things under. So what can you do with them? Well, if you've been following the episodes week on week, there's lots you can do with these lovely little embellishments. Add them to any paper craft project. I add mine to my journals. So another idea, you can take ideas from what we've done on previous weeks. So with the bingo cards, we printed 2 out the same, and then we cut one in half, glued it on top as a pocket so that the pictures married up. You could do the same here, okay? You could turn them into a hidden paper clip, which we've done before. You just need to make the paper clip part a little bit bigger. You can add them to pockets, tucks, tags. You can put them straight on the page and just glue them on 2 sides or 1 side. You can add them to a larger cluster. You know, the embellishments, you use them what you'd use any embellishment for. But how much fun are these with the little tiny miniature interactive elements? I love them. I'm out of shot again. I love them. I wonder what I'm going to come up with next week. I think I'll do 10 weeks and then have a break and do something else. So I hope you like them. Go and grab the freebie. See what you can come up with. Share it in the group because we're all nosy crafters. If you share on social media, tag me with the @ and then Scrimpingmommy, and then I'll see it and I can come and cheer you on. And I hope you like them. Have I done? I think I've done. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.